What's happening, guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Limited Solutions. And in this video I'm going to show you all how you can convert format of any file. For example, if I have a video file and if you want to convert it on in MP3, or if you want to convert this MP4 to WAV or other format like MKV, or if you want to convert this file to other format of audio file as an MP3 or as in other files that are available. If you want to convert it, there's a very easy process to convert it. So without more delay, guys, let's start the video. So before starting this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe button already for this awesome tutorial. And now I would say let's get started. Alright, guys. Guys, so to convert the audio files, what we have to do is there's a very good application that I've been using since 2010, I guess. Yeah, so there's a application that is Format Factory. So it is a very nice application, and there's a we have a very latest update. So Format Factory is pushing latest updates regularly, so to improve the application. So this is not a promotional video, guys. This is just for you, so you can use this application to to change the file format of the file, and you can use it on your work. So what you have to do is I'll just go to you can choose a category over here, that is video, audio, pictures, document, and ROM utilities. So these are the categories, guys. So if there's a video, so I'll just take my outro video, and that is available in MP4 format, right? So this is in MP4 format. I'll just choose it and I'll just convert it to MKV format. So these are the format that I have, and I can convert it. And even there are other options that we have. If you want to join two different videos, you can also use this video joiner option over here. So I'll just convert it to MKV file. So what we have to do is we just have to add files, and then we have to choose the video. I'll just go to video section, and then I'll just choose the outro video. I'll click on open, and now we have to select the output settings. So you can see the video size over here, that is already selected to less than 1080p. So I'll just choose it to 1080p because the video resolution is 1080p, so I don't want to lose it, right? So I'll just choose 1080p and then click on OK, and then OK. So when I click on OK, you can see my videos over here. So I'll just select it and I'll click on start. So it'll take some time to convert it. You can see it is a very easy. It is converting it in a very easy way. It is not taking much time, and even the size of the video is not much, that is 20 MB only. So you can see over here that the task is completed, right? So I'll just close it, and that's a nice music although. So even we can check the converted file in output folder where it is saving it. So you can see the format is in MKV, right? So what we have to do is, if you want to convert it to MP3, we can just choose the audio section. I'll just choose the MP3. I'll just choose it and I'll add files, and I'll choose the outro video.mp4. I'll click on it and I'll choose the output settings too. We have different KBs. So I'll choose here 192 kbps. So I'll click on OK, and then OK, and then I'll start converting. So as you can see that it is completed. I really don't like the music actually, but yeah, it is converted. So if I'll go to the output folder, you can see the it is converted to the .mp3 file. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. So don't forget like and subscribe. Until then, it's Saurav here. Stay happy and love to learn new life hacks regarding technical difficulties. Bye.